Hey guys, we got this Royal Craft board, bamboo cutting boards for test and try. This can be used in the kitchen for the chopping board, for meat, butcher block, and the cheese and vegetables, depends on your requirement. This wooden board is a heavy duty and the serving tray with the handles. So let's open this. So first thing is a really big size, heavy, and is a double XL with a 20 by 14 inches. And you can see the board itself, the very nice logo on the side, and this have this spine cut, like so that if you are cutting vegetable and stuff the things will not go out. And this also have a back like handle in the side. So this one is the original color of wood. So this is a double side design with a water and the odor resistant and a deep juice groove. So as I mentioned, these have the built-in handles here on the two sides, so you can also use it as a tray if you want to. And this one feels is like a premium quality bamboo. So let's just cut some veggies. So they are thick and sturdy and is really good with a knife friendly surface. So you can see the cutting is pretty much easy here using this chopping board. And then also this one is easy to clean, so I will show it. And these are pre-oiled, so it's good. And you can just cut it without just thinking much. So pretty much a nice, I will say, is a chopping board, and but it's really thick and heavy and a really big size. So it's not like a normal one with a small sizes. And you can also use it for the cooking or the baking or any other things that you want to. And if there's a juice, you can see like it's coming in the groove. So this will not just fall down. So this is basically a nice thing to have. So as you can see, the cutting on this chopping board is pretty good and I like cutting on it. It's give me an ample space for cutting without even thinking much. So hope you like this chopping board, and as a premium quality that I can of course say is a solid wood. And yep, and the cleaning is also easy as I mentioned. So see, like the cleaning is just like put in the water and just rub it or the clean it, and you will see no stain, nothing on top of it. So this one is a really nice chopping board with a double XL size.